First thing to do the headlights, we're going to remove the front bumper. You're going to need to remove these body clips. Then I'm going to raise the vehicle up and get the underneath body clips. You're going to remove 6 body clips from underneath here, and then 2 screws on each bumper on both sides. Once all the body clips are removed, 10mm socket. In each fender well, you'll see 1 bolt right here holding the edge of the plastic bumper on inside, 8mm socket. Now with a firm pull, you're going to pull out the plastic clips that hold the bumper all the way across. Place the front bumper aside, 10mm socket, and you're going to start here, and this metal bracket is going to come off at the same time with the headlight. Then you've got 2 in here. The last one's right here on the top. Grab a hold of the assembly and pull it out. And you're going to turn the turn signal bulb out. On the headlights, I'm going to push down on the tabs, pull the sockets off. And you have the running light, parking light down here. Take that out. Now I'm going to transfer the headlight bulbs over into the new assembly. I'm just going to peel off the shipping paper. You can see that the headlight turns, whether it's notched counterclockwise. Examine it, looks good, and reinstall. Turn it clockwise till it locks. If you run into any difficulty turning the headlight socket, loosen up with a Phillips screwdriver. Once it's locked in, don't forget to retighten. They come with water seals. Make sure they're installed. Sometimes they come floating in the cardboard box. Just line them up, pop them around. Make sure they're seated flush. Then we're going to take the paper off of turn signal socket. Now we're ready to install. Line up the notches with the headlight. You have one that is wider than the others. Line it up and turn. Till you hear the click. And turn it clockwise till it stops. You have 2 line-up holes, pins right here that go into the fender. Now you've got your top mounting bolt. Put that bracket on, grab the mounting bolt, start it. I'm not going to tighten it all the way until I get all my other bolts in. Bring this bracket up. Line it up with the bolt holes. Put the outer one on first. Just going to start it. And I'll put these other 2 in. Okay, it seems to be all lined up perfectly fine. Now I'm going to snug it all up. And now you're going to do the same procedure on the passenger side. Now comes time to put the bumper cover back on. Just going to line it up. I like to start at one side, go around. So you want to guide this up with there and put this plastic on top of that body clip. Give it a good. Now I'm going to put the clips on this side and proceed on that side. I'm going to put this clip on the top end, and then I'm going to put the screw into the fender well. Make sure that this fender well is inside the fender, like that. you're going to guide that up. It's the screw with the big washer on it. 8mm socket. Now that side's mounted and being held, I'm going to push it into the body clip over here and in the fender well. Now you're going to line up the screw into the mounting hole. Now you're going to go underneath and put in all the body clips that hold the front bumper cover on. And you've got 2 bolts that are mounted here and at the same side on the other side.